Good morning. Did you sleep well?
I am so tired today. I am so tired today.
Let me make some tea. Let me make some tea. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some grocer eyes. The weather is so nice today. The weather is so nice today. I am running a little late. I am run a little late. Can I borrow your pen, please?
Can I?
Borrow your pen, please? Please? I will be back in 5 minutes. I will be back in 5 minutes. This is my favorite coffee shop. This is my favorite coffee shop. I always walk to work in the morning. I always walk to work in the morning. Do you want something to eat? Do you want something to eat? I just finished my homework. I just finished my homework. Let's go for a walk outside. Let's go for a walk outside. I need to call my mom today. I need to call my mom today. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. I love spending time with my friends.
Yeah.
I love spending time with my friends. Can you turn off the light, please? Can you turn off the light, please? I always drink water before bed. Today was a really good day. Today was a really good day. Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well.